Hello, I am David.
Hi, David. I am Anna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Spain. You?
I am from Australia.
Oh, nice. Do you like it here?
Yes, it is very pleasant. How about you?
I like it too. It feels peaceful.
What do you do?
I am an office worker. And you?
I am a college student.
What do you study?
I study business. Do you speak English?
A little. I am practicing.
That is good. For how long?
About 4 months now.
Your English sounds clear.
Thank you. I practice daily.
That really helps a lot. Well done.
Thanks. It was nice speaking with you.
You too, Anna. Have a nice day.
You too, David. Bye.
Excuse me, I need some help.
Sure. What do you need?
I am trying to find the bus station.
Okay, it is close to here.
Can you explain the way?
Of course. Are you on foot or by car?
I am walking.
All right, walk straight ahead.
How far should I go?
Walk for 2 minutes.
What comes next?
Turn left at the signal.
Is the station on that road?
Yes, keep walking a little more.
What will I see there?
You will see a small cafe.
Is the station near the cafe?
Yes, it is beside the cafe.
Which side is it on?
It is on the right side.
How long will it take?
Around 8 minutes from here.
Is it open right now?
Yes, it closes at 6 p.m.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye. Hello. Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved in.
Welcome to the building.
Thank you very much.
Which floor do you live on?
I live on the 3rd floor.
I live on the 2nd floor.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from England.
Oh, great. Do you like this area?
Yes, it is quiet and clean.
That is true. What do you do?
I work in an office.
I work from home.
That is nice.
If you need help, tell me.
Sure, thank you.
See you around.
Yes, have a good day.
You too. Bye. Good morning.
Good morning. Please come in.
Thank you, doctor.
What brings you here today?
I have a toothache.
Which side is hurting?
The lower right side.
Since when?
For 2 days now.
Is the pain constant?
Yes, especially while eating.
Any swelling or bleeding?
A little swelling.
All right, let me check.
Okay.
Please open your mouth.
Like this?
Yes, you have a cavity here.
Is it serious?
No, but it needs treatment.
Will it be painful?
No, I will use anesthesia.
Do I need a filling?
Yes, a filling is required.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
All right.
I will start now.
Okay, doctor.
You are done.
Thank you.
Avoid cold food today.
I will.
Take these medicines.
Sure.
Hello, can I assist you?
Yes, please. I need to cross the road.
The traffic is heavy today. Hold my arm. I will help you.
Thank you. That is kind of you.
Let us wait for the signal.
The vehicles are moving fast.
Do not worry. Stay close to me.
I am going to the pharmacy. It is across the road.
The light is green now. Let us walk slowly.
My legs feel weak.
No rush. Take your time.
Is it safe now?
Yes, the cars have stopped. We are almost there.
We crossed safely. Thank you for helping me.
It was my pleasure.
Have a good day.
You too. Stay safe.
Hello, may I help you?
Hi, I want to buy a jacket.
Sure. What size do you need?
I usually take a large.
Which color do you like?
Black or brown?
How about this black one?
It looks good. Can I try it on?
Yes, the trial room is there.
Thank you. I will check it.
How does it feel?
It feels a little tight.
Would you like a bigger size?
Yes. Do you have extra large?
Yes, here it is.
I will try this one.
Take your time.
This one fits well.
Great choice. Would you like something else?
Do you sell belts?
Yes, they are near the counter.
I will take one.
Okay, I will bill it for you.
Good morning. I booked an appointment.
Good morning. Your name, please?
My name is David Brown.
Thank you. Please sit here.
How long is the wait?
The doctor will see you soon.
All right. Thank you.
David Brown, please come in.
Hello, doctor.
Hello, what is the issue?
I have a sore throat.
Since when?
For 3 days now.
Any fever or pain?
Yes, mild fever.
Let me check you.
Okay.
Your temperature is slightly high.
Is it serious?
No, you just need rest.
Do I need medicine?
Yes, I will prescribe some.
How often should I take it?
Twice a day after food.
For how many days?
For 1 week.
Thank you, doctor.
Get well soon.
Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I am looking for shoes.
For men or women?
For men.
What size do you need?
Size 9.
Do you want sport shoes?
Yes, for daily use.
This one is popular.
It looks comfortable.
Would you like to try it?
Yes, please.
How does it feel?
It feels good. Is it available in black?
Yes, here it is.
I like this color. What is the price?
It is affordable.
All right, I will take it.
Please come to the counter.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.